Time now for weather news with J7409. The name you know, the news you can use. And if you would like to receive weather reports, weather forecasts, weather alerts, anything pertaining to the weather, now's the time to click J7409, subscribe, click the bell, and you will receive them all. So, how is everybody feeling this morning? I'm kind of achy myself. We got some systems coming through, and you know what? We got heavy rain possible over parts of the southern plains and the lower Mississippi Valley into the Tennessee Valley again. Also, heavy snow possible over the Cascades, Shasta, Trinity, and the Sierras, along with heavy snow possible over parts of northern New England. A strong front extending from the upper Great Lakes southwestward to the central high plains westward into the Great Basin and southern California, moves eastward to the northeast to central southern plains by tomorrow evening. Now, the storm will produce rain and at higher elevation snow over parts of central and southern California. That moves into the southwest overnight tonight and into parts of the central and southern Rockies by tomorrow morning. Meanwhile, what else is going on? Well, moisture from the western Gulf of Mexico is going to be streaming northward into the central and southern plains by this afternoon. The moisture moves northeastward into the Great Lakes and the northeast by tomorrow evening. Showers and thunderstorms will begin to develop over parts of the southern plains today and expanding into the lower Mississippi Valley by this evening. Now, the aforementioned strong front moves into the southern plains into the Great Lakes overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. And this will be bringing showers and thunderstorms. They're going to move into the middle, lower Mississippi Valley by tomorrow morning, while continuing over parts of the southern plains. Now, the showers and thunderstorms expand into parts of the southeast by tomorrow evening, while continuing over parts of the lower middle Mississippi Valley into the southern plains. In addition to all that, rain and snow develop along the boundary overnight tonight over parts of the upper Mississippi Valley into the upper Great Lakes. Now, the rain moves into the Ohio Valley, lower Great Lakes, and the central southern Appalachian, along with parts of the southeast by tomorrow afternoon, expanding into parts of the northeast, mid-Atlantic by Wednesday evening. Okay, by tomorrow evening. Additional snow will begin to develop over parts of northern England by tomorrow afternoon, continuing into tomorrow evening. In the meantime, onshore flow over the Pacific Northwest aids in the development of rain and higher elevation snow over the region, with snow expanding into parts of the northern Rockies by this afternoon. Now, for tomorrow, rain and at higher elevation snow will begin to develop over parts of northern California, expanding southward to central California by Wednesday evening. Is it a little cooler where you're at today in parts? It is at my house. We actually got down in the upper 30s again last night, where we were hitting 50 and 60 for nighttime lows. That's probably why I'm kind of achy breaky this morning, huh? We blow the map up just a little tad here. We can see what's going on around 11 a.m. this morning, and we'll move it on up some right quick to around 9 p.m. this evening. Now, this system's moved up, okay? This is going to be kind of a powerful system as it moves on through. We'll go up to around 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. We can see it moving up to 7 p.m. tomorrow night. And we will hit Thursday, the first day of March, around 5 a.m. Booyah! All this rain's going to be spreading with snow up in the northeast and coming in on the western states of Washington, Oregon, and California, just as I was talking about. Now, I don't know how many of you have had a chance to watch my extended forecast. I put it up yesterday, and this storm is going to go out. It's going to kind of get a little stronger and then come in and rattle on the coast up north here. So what we're going to do is we will hop over to Saturday the 3rd at 4 a.m. in the morning. You can see it out here spinning around. And we will go to Sunday at 5 p.m. Looks like it's going to move on out, right? Well, guess what? Here's Monday at 3 p.m. This one is coming in. Well, keep your eye over here. Tuesday around 8 a.m. in the morning, we have this big front bringing snow to the north, rain all the way from Ohio down through Louisiana. We move up to Wednesday at 5 a.m. All the snow is going to be happening, guys. Be prepared for it, and out here also. And the rain from this system is here. This system seems to be moving off. We'll go to 5 p.m. on Wednesday. This system has moved on off, but this is the side effects of the one moved off the coast that's brought all the rain and snow out in these areas. And by Thursday at 8 a.m., we got a pretty good little system here. So we'll turn the wind on right quick. Here's the wind. I would not call this a nor'easter, okay, by any means, because it didn't start down south and it didn't ride up the coast. It is here on the coast with some strong winds coming in. This is Thursday, the 8th of March. Now, things could change, things could change. But this wind, as I was talking about in the expanded forecast, is up here. And for Maine, all these states, Massachusetts, right on down, on the shorelines, except for right here, these are some pretty good wind gusts. Let's click it up here. That's 40 knot, okay? 40 knot wind. So we'll see if it changes any by 4 p.m. Thursday. It is still riding right off the coast so far as the wind goes in the center of this system. We will go back and see what the rain and snow looks like. You can see you're getting the heavy snow with the winds. Here in Maine and Vermont and New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, you're going to get some. Looks like for New Jersey, for the most part, you're going to get rain at this time. It could change. But the wind, if you live in any of these states, the wind, and if you live in any of these states on the coastal sections, I should say, right on the coast of these states, you will feel some wind blowing around. It will be out there, so be ready for it, okay? Now, one quick thing before we go. What are the clouds looking like for my cloud watchers today and sky watchers? At 10 a.m. this morning, here's a check of the U.S., mostly cloudy in Texas, cloudy in Florida, cloudy out west, but for the most part, everything's looking pretty good. We will move up to around 7 p.m. tonight. Still looking pretty good. Not too bad at all for clouds. We'll go up to Wednesday morning around 7 a.m. Then you can see these systems start to move and the clouds start to form. We'll hop on over to 8 p.m. Wednesday evening. Then we've really got it, man. From the mid-Atlantic up to north, everybody's kind of getting sucked in. And these are low clouds, low clouds. So for early Thursday morning around 5 a.m., the system kind of slows down a tad. It gains some strength. You can see the clouds really don't go that far, okay? We might have some breaks of sun here and there, but for the most part, this system's coming in. With that all said and done, everybody have a great day. I won't be around all day today, but as soon as I get back, if I find out anything that you need to know, I'll put it up for you. I want everyone to have a great day. Be safe always. Keep your eyes on the sky and everything around you. I thank you for everything you do for me, and I love all of you so much. Much peace, love, and kindness to all.